How to withdraw from UK PayPal to bank account. Hi guys, my name is Mr. King, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw exactly from UK PayPal to your bank account. Alright, so remember last time I made a video on how you can withdraw from work task, on how I made a tutorial on work tasks and also how you can withdraw your fund. That means that is to show you that the update is paying, work task is paying. I withdraw from it every single day. So if you take it serious as well, you also withdraw. If you haven't watched that video, go and check the last video I made on work tasks. All right, so today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from paper, and I'm going to use the fund I received from work tasks as a tutorial to make this video. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from UK PayPal to your bank account, because a lot of people are quite confused and asking this question: how can I withdraw the money from work tasks to PayPal, and also if the money land on PayPal, how can I even withdraw it from PayPal to my bank account? Because some people don't get to understand how this thing works, and that is why I'm doing this thing step by step. Remember I said if you don't have PayPal account, you can chat me up and then I will create a PayPal account for you. There are a lot of ways you can make money online. It's not just work task. There are a lot of sites that will work and will make money every day online. All right, so if you are new to this online making something, go and check my previous videos and you'll be able to understand how things work. And if at all at any stage you are confused, you can chat me. I am open. So my the means through which you can contact me is available on my channel. So go ahead and then contact me, so that if you have any challenge, I will solve whatever issue you have. All right, so you can chat me up for your PayPal account creation or any problem you have. All right, so I'm going to use the money I received from work task. You can see I received from work task yesterday. I'm going to show you so that you will not think that maybe we are teaching what is not working. All right, so this is work task. You can see Digi Spark Technology as in the five. That is the five. If you can remember the $5 I requested on work task, you can see they sent the fund. You can see it. They sent the fund. As a work task redeem within 24 hours. So it is within 24 hours they will send your fund. It doesn't delay. You can see the date when I receive the fund. All right, so that is to show you this thing is working. And I'm going to, this is my PayPal account. I'm going to show you the fund on my PayPal account. You can see this is the fund on my PayPal account. This is, you can see it, 6 October. This is the fund. All right, DigiSpark technology. That is to show you everything we are teaching here is working. If you check my previous this thing, you will see some other fund I have received from them. All right, so I will quickly show you how you can withdraw the fund from your bank account. All right, so I'm going to use this little token I received just to show you the tutorial on how to withdraw from your UK PayPal to your local bank account. All right. All right. So let me use this little token to show you how you can make the withdrawals from your UK PayPal to your bank account, whether you are from Nigeria, you are from Ghana, or you are from Cameroon, or you are from, the procedure is the same. All right, so all you have to do is to click on transfer money. You can see the phone. You just click transfer money, all right, on your PayPal account. All right, remember I said if you don't know how to go about it to create PayPal account, you can chat me up. Whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Cameroon, or you are in Ghana, you can use a UK PayPal account very well without any issue. All right, so this is the procedure. Once you click transfer money, then you go ahead and click withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. All right, this is the option. You click withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. All right, so I go ahead and click on withdraw from PayPal to bank account. So I click on withdraw from PayPal to bank account. So this fund is going to withdraw from my PayPal to my bank account. Withdraw from your balance to your bank account. Alright. Alright guys, you can see, pay close attention. You can see where it says you can see where it takes us to. You can see in minutes and in 2 to 3 days. So all you have to do is to select in minutes, because if you go ahead and select this one, then you can see they say fees may apply. In 2 to 3 days you will receive your fund, and they even say fees may apply. So all you have to stick to is this one, in minutes. So that is what to click. So click in minutes. Please make sure, pay close attention, make sure you select in minutes. Once you click in minutes, then all you have to do is to come down here and then click withdraw. You're going to withdraw this £3 to our bank account, and you are going to see the exchange rate. That is the reason why everyone should work to earn in foreign currency, because once you change, just this is just three 68 pounds, £3.68. All right, and you can see, you are going to see the exchange rate in naira when we withdraw. All right, so you click on withdraw. All right, you can see it say your £3 is on its way, estimated arrival in minutes. This should take just a few minutes. We keep you updated on your transfer to clear junction current account. All right, so I already have my current account linked with the link with PayPal. So all you have to do is to click on done. All right, click on done. All right, so I have successfully transferred this fund to my bank account, and a minute is going to arrive to my bank account. So, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and the exchange rate for today. All right, so if you also don't know how, if after creating the PayPal account you need to link your PayPal account, that is when it becomes a verified PayPal. So you need to link it. You can see my PayPal account is linked with a bank account. So if you don't also know how, I think I've received the message. You don't also know how to link your PayPal account. You can see the money. Say you requested a withdrawal of fund to your bank account. You asked to transfer, so they're going to send the funds to my bank account. All right. So that is it. If you also want to learn how you can link your bank account, because your bank account is not verified until you link it with a bank account or a card. All right, so if you also want to learn how to do that, you can DM me and I will show you how to do everything. All right, so that is how to do that. So all we have to do is to, so we are going to wait for the fund to land in my bank account, and I will go ahead and show you how to withdraw the fund to your local bank account. All right. So since we have received this message, you can see you sent a requested a withdrawal of funds to your bank account. So since we have received this message, then we can go ahead and then check my bank account. So we are going to be using the application gray.co. That is where we created our UK bank account. All right. So we are going to log in now to check our bank account and see if the money have landed. Then I'll show you how you can convert it to naira and withdraw to your local bank account. Okay. All right. So as you can see, the fund is here. You can see the fund is here. That is £3. All right. So you can just click convert. So you click on convert. Right, then once you click on convert, then you enter the 68, then you can see the exchange rate for today. The exchange rate for today is 2,155. That is the exchange rate for today. So you're going to be getting that £3 that you are just looking down on is just almost 8k. That is 7,800 if you convert it. So that means if you are working if you are working online, if maybe every day you are working and at least no matter how things are, every day you are able to get 10 pounds, 10 pounds every day, all right, which means 10 pounds every day is 21k. And there's no how, if you're in my group, those who are in my group, they make even 15 pounds, 20 pounds daily. Those who are serious and they are ready to make money online, I teach them how you can do that, how you can make money online every day. So if you are somebody who you are serious, there's no how every day you can make 10 pounds, because once you work uh, on various sites, on maybe you work on study side, you work on survey side, there's no how every single day you won't make at least uh, uh, 5 to 10 pounds. All right, so you can see if you are earning 10 pounds every day, that is 21k. And in a month, 21k times 30 days, how much is that? All right, so that is how to do that. And once you insert 3.68, right, so all you have to do is just to click on continue, because it is going to withdraw. Once you click on convert, it is going to withdraw automatically to our bank account. All right, once you click on continue, it said view transaction currency per GB per month tendered. Then this is the amount you're going to receive. Once you click on convert money, it will convert to your bank account and you withdraw directly to your bank account. It is very simple. All right. Alright, remember I said you have to click on convert. Once the money lands in your UK bank account, you can see this is my UK bank account. So this is my UK bank account. So once the money lands in your UK bank account, the next thing for you to do is to convert it. You have to convert it because you don't have to remain in the currency. It is still in pounds, so you just have to click on convert. Alright, you click on convert. Alright, so you can be in Nigeria and then you earn in pounds at the comfort of your home. All right, this is convert. You can see I'm converting this fund to my bank account. So all you have to do is to click on continue. All right, so I click on continue and then I'll just click on convert money. There is no currency conversion successful. All right, so you click OK. Right, you click OK. So the money is not going to appear under, because we have transferred it. So you go to Naira account, so you can see. So you can see 7,245. So all you have to do is to withdraw your fund. All right, so you just click on send money. All right, you can send it to your bank account, send via bank transfer. All right, send money, then select send to new participant. All right, or you can just send to new participant, select country, then you select your bank name, then you select your bank name, select the account number, then automatically they send the account name, then you click on continue. Alright, so you enter the amount you are going to withdraw. Is it 7,845? No, 7,845. Alright, so after deducting their charges, you click. So you're going to be receiving 7,810 naira. Alright, click continue and then you click send money. Alright, say 2FA requested, send money. Alright, so you set up your 2FA, then you click done, and then once it's enabled, so you go back and then click on your send money. Alright, they will send the 2FA. Alright, so once you click authorize payment, you say your money is on its way. then you click OK, got it. Alright, so click OK, got it. Alright, so the money have been sent to your bank account. You can see the details of the payment. Withdraw, so it is in progress. Withdraw money processing. You can see I've already received the fund. Alright, incoming transfer self payout to. So exactly how to do that. Alright, it is actually very simple. From there you can just be working online and receiving your fund in your PayPal account and then transferring it from your PayPal account to your local bank account. From there you cash out to your account. All right, that is actually very simple. So as you can see, I've carried you step by step from how you can see I've carried you step by step. All right, so step by step on how you can transfer your fund from your PayPal account to uh, your local bank account. How you can transfer the fund from your PayPal account to your local bank account. I've actually carried you step by step. So that is how you can be able to work online, stay at the comfort of your home, work online, and you get paid to your bank account. Actually, very simple. There are a lot of sites I have shared to my group members. So if you want to join the Earn in Pounds community, where we learn how to earn in pounds at the comfort of your home by performing simple online tasks, performing survey, performing studies. There are some studies that will pay you. A single study can pay you $75, some $30. There are a lot of ways that we are making money online. All right. So if you want to join my group, you can chat me up, and then I will add you to the group. And also, you get to learn how you can be able to earn in pounds at the comfort of your home. All right. So the next thing I will do another tutorial, and then I will show you how you can be able to work on those survey sites, and then you earn in pounds. All right, so expect the video soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to click the like button and subscribe, and I would deeply appreciate. This is the only way you have to appreciate us for the effort we are putting to show you all these things that you can be able to make money online. Thank you for watching.